Hello guys, standard 6, chapter number 16, air around us. So guys, today we are going to learn about the air, right? So at the end of this chapter, what we people will learn about this chapter about air. So there is composition of air. What is the meaning of composition? Composition, that means there is mixture in air. Which types of gases? Like carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, dust, smoke, right? There are so many things which is present in air, water vapor also. Okay, then about the organisms. So is it possible guys that without air living things can survive, living things can breathe? No, it is not possible. So that we will learn how air is useful to the living organisms. If the living organisms are above the ground, under the ground, in soil, or in aquatic, that means in water, then how they will absorb oxygen, या तो how they will breathe, this we will learn. Then what is greenhouse effect, that we will discuss. Then what is the importance of air, what are the main main pollution sources of the pollution of the air, what is carbon footprints and how it is important, right? That we will discuss one by one, step by step in this chapter. So before we start, we can see here there are few pictures are given, right? So students, you will do this at home. You will fill in this page number 25, right? So what you people have to do? So why air is required for fish, earthworm, in football, leaf, then candle and aeroplane? How air is helpful to this all the pictures and this all the like aeroplane, football, how it is helpful for this all, that you have to write over here, right? Okay, then come on the next page. Then there is one activity, air is all around us. That means we can't see air which is present around us, but we can just feel when there is wind, right? Suppose sometime it happens that due to the pollution of factories, smoke which release by the factories, right? So smoke will release in the air, so we can see there is smoke and dust particles are there. Due to the heavy traffic in the city, in the town, we can see dust particles in the air, right? Then what happens when there is first rainfall? Right now we can see in our town there is first rainfall. So what happens? There is smell of soil with moisture, right? It shows that air is around us. Now this activity, I am sending one video of this activity, just watch it. Now next topic is what is air made up of. That means what is present in our air. So if we count in percentage, so 78% nitrogen gas is present in air, right? Then 21% oxygen, and rest of the gases are present in air in very small amount. For examples like carbon dioxide, it is present 0.02 to 0.03%. Then neon, argon, helium, krypton, right, hydrogen gas and other gases also. And air also contains smoke, dust particles, water vapor, right, and this all the particles affects on temperature and pollution level also, right, that we will discuss later on. Now here is fact store. So guys, here is first is says that green plants are called producers, so it produces enough oxygen for 2 people every day. And when we burn any substances like wood, petrol, diesel, kerosene, oil, yeah, coal, oxygen is useful for this burning process. And whenever we are just taking food to gain energy, so to release this energy from the food, our body also needs oxygen, right, our body needs air, and through the air our lungs absorbs oxygen, right guys. This was the fact store. Okay guys, let's see today's homework. Take out exercise. Here MCQs are given, right? So first MCQ is the percentage of oxygen in the air is. So find out the answer from the last topic that we have learnt right now. Then second MCQ, the gas that makes up the major portion of air is. So it is oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen or carbon dioxide. Which one is? That is also given. That means ki which of the gas is present in major amount in air, that we have to find. Now fill ups number 1. First one, the gas that supports burning is which one gas? This is given in fact store. Then turn your page. Here is given very short answer question. So first 2 examples. First one is 2 gases in air. Write down any 2 gas like carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, any 2. Give one word. Now first one, a gas that supports burning. So which gas is present? It is already given in fact store, fact file, right? To find it out, that one. Students will write this section 1 in textbook. No need to write in fair notebook, right? Okay guys, thank you. Have a nice day.